Hi, Papa.
Hi, Annabelle. Hi.
Who do you
Annabelle.
have here?
Annabelle, look at Mommy.
Hey,
Annabelle.
Annabelle.
Annabelle. Annabelle, look here, Mom. Look, Mommy. 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 Annabelle. Annabelle.
Are you taking good care of Annabelle?
Yes, I am. She's happy. She's rocking in her swing, playing I'm going to go to the circus.
Mm-hmm. She doesn't want you to leave her today.
No, she doesn't.
She wants you to just move in.
I know. I'll have to come back.
Okay. All right. Bye, Annabelle.
Annabelle.
There's Papa. Papa, what are you doing in there? Making coffee. Annabelle's looking very cute in her outfit that Gamma and Papa got for her. Oh, it's very warm.
How many of us?
Hi, Papa.
How are you?
Good.
Don't make too much noise. Annabelle's sleeping.
She looks very comfy over there.
She told me she was.
I think she loves her grandpa.
She said, don't wake me up.
I won't wake her up here. Let's see if we can get a little look at her over here. Hold on. There she is, sleeping like a little baby.
Yes, she is.
Have you been taking good care of her?
Oh, yes. She's very happy. Told me to come back soon.
She doesn't like it when you go. She thinks you should just move in.
I know. I have to do that. I have a room upside hers.
That sounds good. She looks very comfy.
I named her this wonderful story, The Mud House.
Mudhouse Sabbath. Very interesting. She must be reading some very intellectual stuff.
Well, she'll be jogging tomorrow.
She will?
Be in college next Monday.
She's very advanced.
Yes, she is.
Just ask her grandpa.
I hope her.
Okay.
Very much.
All right. Bye-bye. Hi, Pappy. Are you here with Annabelle?
Yes, I'm right here with Annabelle.
Are you happy to visit little
I
Annabelle?
am, and we're taking a little nap.
She looks very cute in that little outfit.
Yes, she's a gorgeous little girl.
She looks very warm and cozy.
Yes, she is.
Hi, Annabelle.
Hi.
Oh,
Hi. Can you smile?
smile, Annabelle. She's stretching.
Yes.